Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm actually be showing you a brand new money making application that is going to pay you out to literally play games. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make some money in today's video. I'm also going to show you payment proof in a minute, guys, so make sure you keep watching this video from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start making some money today. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So before I show you the application, I want to show you payment proof, and this is it right here. You're going to withdraw it to Dogecoin. Now I'm using FaucetPay for this method. You can use FaucetPay, Express Crypto, or any micro wallet that allows you to get some small portions of cryptocurrency. And this is the payment proof right here, 7.44994098 Dogecoin. Now you can see it just got through getting inside of my account. I still have 6 or 5 confirmations left in order for it to be fully deposited inside of my account. And look at the date, June 30th. Well, right now today is June 29th, or July 29th, sorry about that. But yeah, as you can see, the date doesn't really matter because this is like, I guess, a day ahead. So let me show you the application that is going to make you some money by playing a simple and easy game. And it's kind of weird to me, to be honest, but let's get started with this method, guys. So as you can see, I just got another 0.08 times money, I guess, so for just claiming this. So let me show you the payment proof on the application itself to show you how you can actually play and how you can actually start to make some decent money with this. So as you can see, here is the balance right there, guys. It says withdraw review succeeded, 7.44994098 Dogecoin. So that is what we have down here, 7.44994098 Dogecoin. So there is your payment proof that this is actually working and 100% legit at the moment. So now let me show you inside of this application and how weird it is in a way, but how you can start to make some money with this application. So now let's go back to the home screen, and this is how it looks right here, guys. It literally you just I guess buy cats, and you just keep tapping this green button in the middle where it has the number 5 right down here, and the more cats you earn and the more pairs it creates. So you can see how these are pairs right there, and then these are not really pairs because of the level that they're at. So we have to keep on clicking this in order to gain pairs, and eventually you'll get like a lucky cat or some sort of like cat that is really profitable. So it says new cats may bring you cat coins. Now cat coins, I believe, is like just to earn more money, and so this is like a weird application, but it pays out in cryptocurrency. So let's go to the catalog for you guys to actually help me explain how you actually make money with this application, because all I've been doing is just clicking the green button in order to mine these cats. So it says, as the rarest cat, it brings home 30% of the cat garden's daily advertising income every single day. So that might be, I guess, means like 30% more money. So I recently just got that one. So there's like Satoshi Cat, there's Bit Cat, Ethereum Cat, Tron Cat, Ripple Cat. So you can get all of these cats, and it's like I guess something that you just get for keep playing this game. So what I have done is I used an auto clicker and just let it keep running on this one right here. So just keep on tapping that green button, and the more you tap on it, the more cats appear inside of the the more cats appear inside of the land. So you can see it just keeps on pairing them up until it like fully like this one's about to get paired. So now we got another lucky cat. As you can see right here, we got this one that is it says earn 2,046 every second, and these points is for you to actually get more money. So let's click on grades. So that means that right here you see how this is just growing. So this is allowing you to get more of this. So as you keep clicking on this green button, it's going to become more expensive, and the more expensive it becomes, the harder and longer it takes for you to get a lucky cat to earn some free cryptocurrency. Now there's multiple ways to earn with this application. So you can come over here to where it has like this little cat symbol with the red dot on the top right hand corner. So if you click on that, that is like, I guess, a daily reward, or every 30 minutes, I believe. So you can, I just got a free 100 or 1,226,000 coins. So that's going to help me out get even closer to another lucky cat, I would say. And they also have like a daily slot machine. So you can come right there, click on that slot machine, and you can have like a bag of coins, a pocket of coins, and some coins. So I have 5 spins left. So I can spin this right now and see what I can get right in front of your guys' eyes. And hopefully it's some more cryptocurrency. So now we have won 12,258,000 lucky coins, I would say. So click claim, and you can just keep on doing that over and over again. But the way I see how you make money is just clicking on this green button, because that is all I have been doing, is just making these pairs go bigger and bigger, or these cats get bigger and bigger. As you can see, I got more coins right there, cat coins. So I'm going to leave the link down in the description of this video so you can try this out for yourself and get some free cryptocurrency. Now there's other stuff that you can do within this application. Like you can see like this police cat, I would say. You can come in here and just claim this every single day. So we can claim 0.1 cat coins right there. And sometimes it does make you watch an ad when you do that. Now look, it says random tasks. Play lucky spin 10 times and get 4,290 coins. So you can watch ads 3 times when coins are insufficient and get 36,000 or 3,677 coins. So there's other ways you can make money with this application. It is super easy to do, and every single day I believe it refreshes. As you can see down here, it just refreshes and you get more tasks to earn more money pretty much. So we can also click on the group tab down here, and I'm going to leave my link down in the description of this video so you can get started right now and start to earn some money, guys. So as you can see right there, I'm already at 0.08 money or cents right there in Dogecoin. So this is how easy it is to start earning some money. I just got through showing you payment proof just a little bit ago, and it was almost instant, guys. Almost instant on doing this, and as you can see, I made some money. So this is the way I'm using this application every single day. I've only been using this application actually once. So that's how easy it is to make money with this app. So again, guys, I'm going to leave the link down in the description of this video so you can get started right away making some free cryptocurrency with this brand new money making application. So on top of that, there on the top right hand corner, you can see like this little booklet right here. If you click on that, it actually tells you the rules, but it's kind of hard for me to understand personally. It says to merge into one. 2 same level cats will automatically merge into a higher level cat. The higher the level the cats are, the faster they can generate coins. So I mean, that is like the basics, guys, right there. So it says tap and drag. So if you just want to drag a cat anywhere around the land, I would say, then you can just leave it there or whatever. It's experience with the lucky cat. So this is what I've gotten. I have gotten a lucky cat, and I guess it's like more money for me. Get a lucky cat. You merge a lucky cat with 2 level 37 cats and share cats, gardens daily, advertising income every day. So that's like a kind of hard to understand. So yeah, guys, I mean, this is a really interesting application, but it pays. It's kind of like odd in a way. And if you want to use an auto clicker, I use ClickMates. So let me show you that right now on how I make this automated. So this is ClickMate right here, and I'm going to leave the link down in the description as well. You only have 30 seconds if you are not a pro user to actually run a bot or an automation or macro on this actual app. So just click on record mode, and once you click on record mode, let's go back to the application. So once you click once the application is open up, all you have to do is click the red button in the middle where it says record, and all you got to do is just keep on tapping this bottom green button. That's it. All you have to do is just keep on tapping it over and over. If you want, you can click on confirm, even though it doesn't say confirm on some of the links or some of the pop-ups. But if you tap like in a certain location, every time it clicks on there, it will like do whatever that task wants it to do. So sorry about that. So that is how easy you can it can be to use the automated service ClickMate for this actual method. So while this ad is playing, let's just go back to the application so we can finish this automation. So go to where it says options, and then within here, just where it says repeat counts, click on infinite. Excuse me. Now click on save as, and then type in like a name. So we can do like cats cat money. Let's just do cat money or something. Click on save, and then click on save one more time, and now the bot is saved. So let's go back to the application and let's wait till this advertisement has finished so I can show you how the bot works whenever it is all said and done. So now, since we have more tokens for watching that advertisement, all we have to do is just click on the play button and it's going to play all by itself, guys. So as you can see, it's going to start to add in more cats. So now it's working 100% passive. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.